Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some plumbing trivia. A. What tool is commonly used to unclog drains? Possible solutions are paintbrush or B. screwdriver or C. funnel or D. plunger. The correct answer is D. plunger. Which metal is commonly used for plumbing pipes due to its resistance to corrosion? Is it A. zinc or B. copper or C. aluminum or D. iron? The correct answer is B. copper. Which type of plumbing fitting connects two pipes at a right angle? Is it A. reducer or B. coupling or C. T-junction or D. elbow? Choose the correct option. The correct answer is D. elbow. Which device prevents backflow in a plumbing system? A. pressure regulator or B. check valve or C. sump pump or D. backflow preventer? The correct answer is B. check valve. What is the name of the U-shaped pipe under sinks? Is it A. bendy tube or B. P-trap or C. sink loop or D. pipe connector? The correct answer is B. P-trap. What is the term for the main pipe that supplies water to a building? Is it A. aqueduct or B. mainline or C. hydrant pipe or D. water shaft? The correct answer is B. mainline. Which professional installs and repairs pipes in homes? A. mechanic or B. electrician or C. carpenter or D. plumber? The correct answer is D. plumber. What is the common term for the process of removing a blockage from a pipe? Is it A. rinsing or B. unblocking or C. snaking or D. dredging? The correct answer is C. snaking. What is the name of the fixture where wastewater is discharged? Is it A. pipes or B. drain or C. sink or D. faucet? The correct answer is B. drain. What is a common material used for drain, waste, and vent pipes? A. steel or B. copper or C. PVC or D. aluminum? The correct answer is C. PVC. What is the term for a plumbing system that uses gravity to remove waste? Is it A. vacuum system or B. pressure system or C. gravity system or D. reverse osmosis system? The correct answer is C. gravity system. Which type of valve is commonly used for gas lines in plumbing? Check valve or B. ball valve or C. gate valve or D. butterfly valve? The correct answer is B. ball valve. What is the name of the tool used to tighten or loosen pipe fittings? Is it A. fitting vise or B. pipe wrench or C. pincer pliers or D. pipe plunger? The correct answer is B. pipe wrench. What is the name of the plumbing system that collects and removes stormwater? Is it A. water conduit or B. rain pipes or C. storm drain or D. sewage system? The correct answer is C. storm drain. What is the term for a plumber's helper who assists with manual tasks? A. plumber's mate or B. apprentice or C. assistant plumber or D. handyman? The correct answer is B. apprentice. What is the name of the device used to measure water pressure in a system? Is it A. water barometer or B. hydrostatic balance or C, pressure gauge, or D, pressure transducer? The correct answer is C, pressure gauge. What is the term for a horizontal pipe that carries wastewater? A, flume, or B, lateral, or C, conduit, or D, mainline? The correct answer is B, lateral. Which plumbing tool has a long, flexible cable used to remove clogs? Is it A, pipe wrench, or B, faucet handle, or C, drain snake, or D, plunger? The correct answer is C, drain snake. Which of the following is the name of the fitting used to cap the end of a pipe? Is it A, end cap, or B, pipe end, or C, stop valve, or D, pipe plug? The correct answer is A, end cap. What is the term for a fitting that connects pipes of different diameters? Is it A, adapter, or B, connector, or C, expander, or D, reducer? The correct answer is D, reducer. Which type of valve is used to shut off water flow in an emergency? Is it A, ball valve, or B, check valve, or C, shutoff valve, or D, butterfly valve? The correct answer is C, shutoff valve. What is the common term for a slow leak in a plumbing fixture? Is it A, leakage, or B, trickling or drip, or D, seep? The correct answer is C, drip. Which of the following options is the name of the pipe that carries potable water? A, supply line, or B, drain pipe, or C, aqueduct, or D, effluent pipe? The correct answer is A, supply line. What is the name of the pipe that vents air out of the plumbing system? Is it A, drain pipe, B, vent pipe, C, waste pipe, or D, stack pipe? A, drain pipe, or B, vent pipe, or C, waste pipe, or D, stack pipe? The correct answer is B, vent pipe. Which tool is used to measure the diameter of a pipe? Is it A, caliper, or B, vernier scale, or C, ruler, or D, tape measure? The correct answer is A, caliper. What is the name of the plumbing fixture that mixes hot and cold water? Is it A, faucet diverter, or B, water valve, or C, drain trap, or D, mixer tap? The correct answer is D, mixer tap. What is the term for the pipe that carries water away from a roof? Is it A, water spout, or B, drain pipe, or C, gutter, or D, downspout? The correct answer is D, downspout. A, galvanized steel, or B, PVC, or C, copper, or D, brass? What type of pipe is commonly used for high-pressure water supply lines? The correct answer is A, galvanized steel. What is the name of the tool used to bend pipes? Is it A, pipe clamp, or B, pipe bender, or C, pipe wrench, or D, pipe cutter? The correct answer is B, pipe bender. What is the term for the vertical pipe that carries wastewater from fixtures? Is it A, spout, or B, conduit, or C, flue, or D, stack? The correct answer is D, stack. What is the name of the plumbing fitting that connects three pipes? Is it A, cross connector, or B, elbow joint, or C, T, or D, pipe junction? The correct answer is CT. What is the term for the water flow rate in a plumbing system? Is it A, water volume, or B, flow rate, or C, water velocity, or D, pressure rate? The correct answer is B, flow rate. What type of valve is used to control the temperature of water? Is it A, thermostatic valve, or B, solenoid valve, or C, ball valve, or D, pressure relief valve? The correct answer is A, thermostatic valve. What is the name of the tool used to remove rust from pipes? A, wire brush, or B, pipe wrench, or C, rust solvent, or D, sandpaper? The correct answer is A, wire brush. What is the name of the valve that releases pressure in a water heater? Is it A, overflow valve, or B, pressure regulator, or C, release valve, or D, relief valve? The correct answer is D, relief valve. What is the term for a pipe that allows wastewater to drain away? Is it A, drain line, or B, drainage collector, or C, sewage conduit, or D, waste duct? The correct answer is A, drain line. What is the name of the device that filters debris from water? Is it A, purifier, or B, sieve, or C, dehumidifier, or D, strainer? The correct answer is D, strainer. What is the term for the part of a faucet that controls water flow? A, tap, or B, handle, or C, spout, or D, valve? The correct answer is B, handle. What is the term for a plumbing system that uses pressure to move water? A, siphon system, or B, gravity system, or C, pressure system, or D, vacuum system? The correct answer is C, pressure system. What is the name of the tool used to measure water flow? Is it A, flow meter, B, aquachronometer, C, hydro indicator, D, water gauge? Choose between A, flow meter, or B, aquachronometer, or C, hydro indicator, or D, water gauge. The correct answer is A, flow meter. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.